Let's see.
If he doesn't on the first one, his plan may well be to dumbbell round and come back in, but no, it's looking good. Bomb doors open.
They are open. Major Joseph Baboni backs away. I mentioned going green. Well, look at the smoke from those 8 engines on that B-52. Not carbon neutral, let's say. The H is the only variant still in service with the US Air Force. One of only 2 jets to mark 50 years of service with the same operator. The other was the English Electric Canberra, which the Royal Air Force retired 3 years ago.